Welcome to our lecture online. Now let's talk about the concept of the sensitivity of a test. It's a very important concept when we're dealing with Bayes' theorem applied to testing. So the definition says that the sensitivity of a test indicates the probability that the subject will have a positive result when the subject is actually positive, because that's not always a guarantee. So the sensitivity of the test indicates what the probability, the percentage is that if you test a number of people that are positive, that they will actually receive a positive result. For example, let's say that the test is considered 98% sensitive, and that's how they say it. They say the test is 98% sensitive. That means that if we have 100 known positive subjects, we know that they have a particular condition for which they're going to be tested. The test will then correctly indicate a positive result for 98 out of 100, 98% of them, which means that 2 will be indicated incorrectly as having a negative result, and those are called escapes. Therefore, we can say that 2 subjects actually have the disease, but were incorrectly labeled as being negative, as not having the disease, if the test is there to try to find if people have a disease. So we have 100 people that actually have the disease. 98% will then get the test and will be tested positive for the disease. 2 will then be tested negative for the disease. And that's what we mean by the sensitivity of the test. The higher the number, the greater percentage will actually receive the correct indication of being positive. The smaller the number, the greater the number that will incorrectly receive the indication that they test negative, that they're negative, even though they are positive. And that's what we mean by the sensitivity of a test.